Yes, ma'am.
Now let us continue with the means previous meeting. What the poet has said, with our songs we can rebuild Nineveh and Babel on this earth, and overthrew them with prophesying to the old of the new world's worth. Means, and we can destroy also these same thing that we have made with much efforts. We can destroy them also for what? For giving value and importance to the new world. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Any system, any rule, anything has to end itself so that the new things should come. Understood? For letting the new things emerge in the society, the old things have to stay back. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
For example, you must have seen that your mothers were living on some different standards. Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
There were different standards of society for them. Yes? And they are making you live on some different standards. Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Is it so or not?
Yes, ma'am.
Why? Because they understand this is the requirement, this is the need of the time. This is the need of time. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Is that clear? All right. Now what it says, for each age is a dream that is dying. For here stands for because. What it says here is, because every age it is a dream that is dying, or one that is coming to birth, or it is one that is coming to birth. See, everything has two point of views. If there's a glass that has half water, means it is half full with water and half empty. Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Is it not?
Yes, ma'am.
Or the second thing I can say is this glass, half a glass contains water and half of it contains air. Is it so or not?
Yes, ma'am.
So all these point of view are correct.
Yes,
They
ma'am.
are different, correct? Yes.
Yes.
So
Yes, ma'am.
why one belief, one trust has to give the way for the next to come. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
So now the poem is over. On Monday, we'll begin with the Tempest. Whatever is left, I'll start explaining you that. I hope I have finished with the half yearly course. I had posted you the half yearly course on the means groups. And if in case you have not seen that, I'll repost that. No problem is there. All right. We have already finished that. A little is left in Tempest that we will be doing. Is that clear? Is
Yes,
that
ma'am.
clear? We are gonna be over with all the stories and poems. Poems are over now.
Yes, ma'am.
What is single is left? Just one story is left. Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
just story is left. That is to be done afterwards. This poem also was to be done in September, and we are done with this. I'll be posting you the notes also, and yes, I'll post the recording also, so that if in case someone has missed something, they can get to it, they can see the video and understand that. Is that clear? Your homework is you will go through the poem and learn the notes, and you will get it off tomorrow. Be prepared for the test. Understood? In the next week I'll be taking 2 tests. Fine? Is that clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
And you have to just read at least 3 sides of pages in Tempest. Read those pages, underline difficult words, write the meaning of them then and there only, and learn the references. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
बच्चे mind you get marks for your keynotes. When we, the examiners, sit to check your answer scripts, we do two things. See, we are given a list of keynotes, and we are supposed to select means these many, whatever is required out of them, or resembling idea. So if those keynotes are there, the examiner has to put tick marks over there, and those tick marks are counted and the marks are given. There is no such negative marking. Clear? If you are giving all the keynotes required, all the keywords required, are you understanding and listening to me?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Writing all the keywords required, then even if you are committing as a human being, as a child, you will be committing some or the other linguistic errors, or some spelling errors, or some wrong tense, or wrong subject verb conquered, or wrong spelling, or something or the other will go wrong. So if you are writing all the keywords, then these errors won't count. The examiner has to overlook that. Clear? This is
Yes,
a
ma'am.
shortcut to getting 100 out of 100 in English. If you see that my record, my children used to get 100 out of 100. It's not like I teach very good. It is like my children work very well. They follow all the instructions. And I promise you, if you will follow the instructions, if you will do what I am asking you, no one can stop you. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Promise you that. If you will follow whatever I am asking you, no one can stop you. You will get, means minimum 90 plus in English. Minimum. And even 100 out of 100 is not a big deal. Especially in literature. It's not a big deal at all. I'll be giving you shortcuts. I'll be giving you shortcuts, but before that, you have to show me your hard work. Clear? Is that clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am.
Yes. See what happens. Whatever poems and stories are asked earlier, they will not be asked. Understood? Something new will be asked. First thing, the batch before you had 10 poems, 10 stories. You have 9 poems, 9 stories. One poem and a story is already deducted. And that to the story, to build a fire, that was really very difficult, very tough to understand. And even birches, that is very beautiful, a poem, very good, but very difficult to understand. Clear? Both the difficult things are deducted. Yes? Except for this, whatever stories and poems are asked, they will not be asked again. 1% chances are only there that it can be asked. Clear? So I'm not saying just yes.
Yes, ma'am.
See, I'm not saying don't even touch them, but I say focus mainly on the poems and stories that are not asked yet. Out of 3, 2 will be there that are not asked yet. And 1 only can be. It is possible 1%, but usually it is not. Okay, that it is repeated. Clear? So course is very less now. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
I'm posting you the notes. You just learn them word by word. Especially the poems, learn the poems word by word. It's not a big deal. Every night, make it a aim. Like before sleeping, you will read a story. You will read one story and then only you will sleep. It will give you a good sleep. Yes?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
And when every night you are reading one story, before the examinations, you will be done with every story minimum 10 times.
Yes, ma'am.
Is it true or not?
Yes, ma'am.
Now, whatever the hell the examiner will be asking, everything will be there on your tips.
Yes, ma'am.
No need to mug up. No need to mug up. Is it so or not?
Yes, ma'am.
Isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Just do it.
Yes, ma'am.
I'm not saying give most of the time to English. I'm just saying between every two subject, give half an hour to English. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
It will
Yes,
give
ma'am.
you a good change. It will give you a good change, very good change. Whatever headache you have, that will wash off. Understood? So do
Yes, ma'am.
this. This is how you can score well. This
Yes,
is
ma'am.
how you will not need to mug up everything and just spend so much of time with that. No need at all. Very easily you can do it. It's a very easy task. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
See, one out of these two things will happen. Either you will be scared with examination or examination will be scared. It's better let's scare the examination. Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So, and it's not a hard task. Very easy it is. Clear? So,
Yes, ma'am.
I hope
Yes.
it's gonna be your lunch break. Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
And I hope my children will be doing the homework. Clear?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Have a